Hi, in this video, securing your Wi-Fi network, we'll see what harm a cybercriminal can do if he breaks in your Wi-Fi network connection, and what steps exactly you can take to protect your network from such attack and turn it into a hard nut to crack. Sadly, but many people don't care about securing their Wi-Fi network at all. They think something like that: I've got unlimited traffic from my provider, so even if somebody connects to my network, nothing bad happens, so why should I care? But they are wrong. Here is the damage you can have if a cybercriminal penetrates your Wi-Fi network. First, the perpetrator will have access to all your traffic, so he can steal your information. Second, he can scan all the hosts in the new network and infect them. And last but not least, cybercriminals can use your network as cover for their malicious actions. To say simply, they can commit a cybercrime from your network so that the IP address of your network will be left at the broken server. And when police will investigate the case, they will come for you. The good news is that to protect your Wi-Fi network, it's easy. I'll give you here some magic bullets to protect your Wi-Fi network. So, the first one is to change password to the router administration. Use strong network security key, set WPA2 encryption, and kill VPS. These items are a must. But also you can take some additional steps. Here are they. First, you can turn on your MAC address filter, and second, you hide the SSD of the network. Now let's go practical and see how to do that in real world. Here you can see the administration panel of my router. The panel of your router can be different, because actually every router has its own design of the panel. But the principles all patterns are built are all the same, so you will be able to apply easily everything I'll tell you now. So first of all, we go to the administration panel, and from here I go to the system. Any router comes to us with default password. It's admin or something like that. So first of all, we must change it. Here we can create a new password. We'd better make it strong. It should consist of big and small letters, numbers, and other symbols. And the length I recommend is about 20 symbols. Now let's go further and click on wireless button. So here we see our wireless settings. The first one is SSID name. SSID is actually the name of your network. You can give it any name you want. And also you've got the option to hide it. So let's click yes here. Now your Wi-Fi network won't be seen by devices around. But it definitely will be seen by special programs hackers use. So it's not a kind of solid protection. Rather, you can consider it as another obstacle on the way of a cybercriminal. The matter is that people are lazy, and cybercriminals are people also, so usually they choose the easiest target. And the more obstacles you create on the way of a hacker, the more secure is your network. Now, one of the most important things is authentication method or encryption. There are many options here, but anyway, it always must be WPA2. Here is the WPA pre-shared key. To say it simply, it's the password to our network. So, again, you must choose very strong and long password. Because for now, WPA encryption can be hacked only by dictionary attack. So your password must be a random set of symbols. That includes big and small letters, numbers, and symbols. Now let's click on the VPS button. It's very interesting thing. VPS is Wi-Fi protected setup, and as it says here, it provides easy and secure establishment of a wireless network. But the fun thing about this, that it may be easy but obviously not secure. because it uses 8-number PIN code. And this PIN code can be easily extorted by a brute force attack, in average within 10 hours only. So, what should we do? Yes, we must disable VPS because it's a real threat to our network. And what you can do more? It's turn on MAC filters mode. You should do it only if you have constant devices in your network, because if you enable this function, only devices that are in the list will be able to connect to the network. So, here is the option Allow Listed. If you click on it, and then add MAC addresses of all your devices here. Also, you can block some devices. If you know their MAC address, you can keep them away from your network. And again, this option is not a bulletproof protection. MAC address can be spoofed by a refined hacker. So, as with SSID hiding, is just another obstacle on the way of a cybercriminal. If you set everything as I've talked above, you can sleep calmly. Your Wi-Fi network is protected. But what if you see your network are constantly attacked and you've got IP address of the attacker? We'll talk about it in the next video.